Today is Friday, November 21st. This is a 1976 Cadillac Eldorado passenger side Sunvisor assembly with the decorative illuminating mirror. So I've gone ahead and I connected it to power. This unit was missing the door cover entirely, as is common with these Sunvisors. They often shatter and break and the hinges no longer work, and in John's case he was missing the decorative door cover entirely. So I've gone ahead and connected the unit power, and we can see how the unit illuminates and stays up with the spring tension. I can go ahead and regulate the brightness as such. Okay, and close it, and it snaps shut. And that's the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado passenger side illuminating mirror. This is for my friend John in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Friday, November 21st. This is George, Florida. Thank you very kindly.